Another awesome train video that one was. Actually, I was on my way home from filming that train meet, and I thought I heard another train coming, so I decided to turn around to make sure there was no other train coming, but as you see, there was another train coming, so that was a local train I was coming back from this morning where I caught. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button, comment if you like. If you're watching this, hope you have a good day today until the next train video.